This is NDTV. And you're watching Metro Nation Delhi.
Well, moving on with our show, that's what we're here for. Now, Ram Jethmalani is well known for always having things done his way. Now, this time also, he's insisted on having things done his way. Now, what am I talking about? Well, he is changing roles a little bit and coming onto silver screen. How? Take a look.
He's used to facing the cameras, be it a flamboyant criminal lawyer or vocal Rajya Sabha member. Jethmalani has played many roles in real life. But now, he will be seen on the silver screen, a guest appearance in a Sindhi film made by a Dubai-based NRI, Koshi Lalwani. And doesn't matter whether he's in court or on the film sets, Ram Jethmalani writes his own scripts.
What is an advocate except an actor? We act all our life in court.
But usually you write your own dialogues there.
Well, here also I wrote my own dialogue. She gave me a script which I threw.
The Awakening is a story of a girl called Sindhu, based in New York, and how while doing her research on the Indus Valley civilization, she discovers her Sindhi roots. The film has dialogues mostly in English. Smita, who plays the lead role in the film, says she quite enjoyed the experience of sharing screen space with Ram Jethmalani.
He has done a great job. You will see that, you'll certainly see that. He's done an excellent job.
How?
It's very natural. I think it comes out very naturally for him because he has been talking and giving lectures.
This is only the second Sindhi movie in over 20 years. At the screening of the film in Delhi, there was a special guest who batted for the Sindhi cause.
It's a film about Sindh, about Sindhi culture, but it is not in Sindhi. The language is English. Only the music, until now there has been only one song, that's in Sindhi. And therefore, the producer Koshi Lalwani has described it as the first film in Singlish.
The producer says the film is a bold attempt to show Sindhi culture. Produced under the banner of Paradise Pictures, will it be the awakening Sindhi cinema desperately needs? With Rahul Srivastav in New Delhi, Siddhantani for NDTV.
Well, as promised, that I'm going to show you all the lounge areas at the F Bar and Lounge.